In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Exness to Binance. Now, in order for us to get this done, what we are going to do is just head over to Exness and make sure that you have an active account. So once you have an active account in Exness, you also have to create or make sure that you have an active Binance account. Now, first things first, we're going to head over here in Exness, and then we're just going to head over to the left side and click the withdrawal button right here. Now that we are here, you should be able to see here Binance Pay. Go ahead and choose that over there, and then what you're going to do is just fill in everything. So for example, from the account, you should, if say for example you have multiple accounts, then you should be able to choose or the right account for you. Now once you've chosen the right account, I want you to enter the amount here. As you can see, this is the minimum and this is the maximum. So say for example, I'm going to do so for $15. What I'm going to do is just type it there and then scroll down below, and then you can just go ahead and hit the continue button right here. So once you've hit the continue button, you should be asked to verify it. So there's going to be an OTP sent to your mobile number, and you're just going to enter it here. And once you're done doing so, you can head over to your Binance ID. So to find your Binance ID, you can head over to your Binance account, head over here to your account, and then you have the dashboard. So in your dashboard, you have your UID here. You can just go ahead and copy this one and then enter it at the desired location where it should be on the next page. Now, after doing so, you should be able to see the transaction progress. And once you're done with that, you are good to go, everybody. So all you have to do is just wait in order for you to finish the process. And that is how you're going to transfer money from Exness to Binance.